Our show is called Meet the Makers, and we're going to go inside here at Plaza Sushi in downtown St. Thomas and learn how to make the famous Plaza Sushi roll with manager Danny. In downtown St. Thomas at Plaza Sushi, it is a bustling lunch, so we're very grateful for Danny, one of the managers here, to invite us in and to learn about your business. Thank you so much for having us. Plaza Sushi downtown, tell us about what you guys do.
We're just making a sushi and Japanese food and for sharing with our St. Thomas people. And it's kind of such a great enjoyment because we can share different culture experience. So we really great and have a good opportunity to share with the St. Thomas people. Yeah.
Awesome. And how long have you been downtown St. Thomas? How long has Plaza Sushi been here?
It's about like 2 years.
2 years?
Yeah,
okay,
yeah.
So part pandemic.
Yeah.
And then now we're open.
Yeah,
so
exactly.
And how has it been received? Like, have customers? Do you get repeat customers and people through the door again and again?
Yeah. At the pandemic period, we kind of some difficulties because in pandemic period we lose some our customer, but after pandemic we can recover the number of the customer, and we are operating right now. Yeah.
Awesome. Well, I love it. It's one of the coolest restaurant spaces that we have in St. Thomas. And you talked about the sushi piece of it. So that Japanese, what are the most popular items from the Japanese side of the menu?
Yeah. Actually, our title is the sushi restaurant. So. Definitely, sushi is the most popular menu, and the roll, of course.
Okay.
Yeah, some customer still confused what's the difference between sushi and roll. Okay. So that two kind of menu is the best our restaurant's menu.
Awesome. Right. And what would be most popular from the sushi? Tuna, salmon?
Yeah, definitely salmon and tuna because you know the name.
Okay.
So it's really popular for other people.
Okay.
So they always looking for the fresh sushi and fresh tuna. So that kind of two fish is really popular.
And okay, so you talked about that being the popular one because we're familiar with them. Is there a fish that you would recommend that's not tuna or not salmon that you'd be like, this is really good too? It's really it should be more popular because it's so delicious.
Yeah, actually we use and treat different kind of tuna.
Okay.
Because there is so many kind of tuna, and some part of tuna we can meet or approach in the specific restaurant, but we provide a special tuna for St. Thomas customer. Okay. So that's the kind of our restaurant's strength. Yeah.
Awesome. Now you talked about the Japanese side, but you guys also do, and you're Korean Canadian.
Yeah, Korean Canadian.
Alrighty.
Yeah,
안녕하세요.
Thank you.
So tell us about some of the Korean items on the menu, and really, there's a couple Japanese restaurants in St. Thomas, but you're really the only place where I could go get Korean food too.
Yeah.
So what do you have on the menu that's Korean?
Especially beef.
Okay.
We cook the beef in the traditional Korean style.
Okay.
So beef plate is one of our popular menu, and we provide beef plate in Korean style, and St. Thomas people really like that.
And that's bulgogi, isn't it?
Yeah, bulgogi. Yeah, you know the name.
Yeah. Yeah, absolutely. I mean, I love Korean food. You know, the kimchi and, the bibimbap and all those different things.
Right.
That's amazing. Obviously, as we said, it's a busy place. We're right at lunch hour, and we're going to go back and check out some of the items that they have on their menu, and I'm going to get shown how to cut some fish. So we are officially back at house at Plaza Sushi here. That is a beautiful, beautiful looking piece of salmon.
Yep. So this is the loin for sashimi.
Okay.
So sashimi means you can eat the fish without the rice. So if you wanna eat the fish with the rice, that means the sushi.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alrighty.
That's the difference between sushi and sashimi.
Sashimi is just the fish.
Yeah, right.
Sushi is with the fish, and then otherwise
That's right.
maki or rolls.
Yeah.
Or okay.
Yeah,
And
perfect.
what are we making right now? Then are we doing sashimi or
yeah,
sushi?
sashimi.
Alrighty.
Yeah. This is for sashimi.
Okay.
So we just cut gently with the blade. So you can see the face is the really smoothly cut it down, and
Yeah, it's beautiful, and I imagine like the fatty layers gives it a lot of like really good flavor.
yeah, that's right. So usually we get the fishes, all the salmons from the vendor,
Okay.
and then we treat some kind of special process,
Okay.
and then we get rid of the inside the watery things, and then we can use this loin for sashimi.
Okay.
Yeah.
And would you use this same fish for sushi? Like, would it be
No, it's a different part.
okay? And
Yeah.
what would it be? Like, is it up there?
All the things in here is for sashimi.
Okay.
Yeah,
We're getting complicated here, but we're gonna
yeah,
figure.
right. So we have a different part.
Okay, so this is straight from the.
Yep.
So this would be for sushi or to go into rolls.
That's right. Yeah.
Okay.
Yep. So
And how do you how would you typically eat it? Like what's your favorite way to do it? Like would you just eat sashimi, sushi, all of the above, or
yeah, usually you can start with the sashimi because it's the like appetizer in Japanese way,
Okay.
and then you can eat the sushi because it comes with the rice, so you can taste all kind of things, sashimi and sushi things. So I recommend you should eat the sashimi first.
start
and
with
then,
the sashimi? Okay,
yeah.
now let's get a little bit more specific. Are you putting wasabi on it? Are you using soy sauce? Like again, what's the most authentic way to actually enjoy, or is it just literally the fish?
In my personal way,
Yeah,
I
your
really
personal way,
yeah,
yeah.
I really like the wasabi things because it's kind of really special taste from. You can feel the special taste from the wasabi. So
Okay.
I recommend you have to get used to the wasabi thing.
Okay.
Then you can feel what's the Japanese way. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah,
So
like that.
someone was say coming in for the first time, they haven't been to Plaza Sushi, maybe they haven't
Yep.
had sushi before.
Yep.
What would you recommend that they would order that would give them a flavor for it, but not maybe scare them?
In terms of the fish,
Yeah.
so I recommend salmon and tuna because it's the most popular fish.
Yeah.
But some customer doesn't like the fish and they don't eat the fish.
Yeah.
And in that case, I recommend the rolls
Okay.
because they like the rolls in common
Alrighty.
case.
And
Yeah.
do you guys have any special rolls that you do, like that are I can just find here? Like, is
Yep.
there like a Plaza Sushi roll, or is there?
Yep, sure. It's like this.
Okay, so we've got sticky rice,
Yep.
and then we've got what's this? What's the wrap called?
Oh, it's the seaweed.
Okay,
Yeah.
seaweed wrap.
Yeah, seaweed wrap.
Okay.
And put the sesame.
And what's the name of the roll we're making right
this
now?
is the Plaza Deluxe roll.
The Plaza dinner roll. Alrighty, only
Yeah.
found in St. Thomas.
Yeah, right.
There we go. I love it.
Plaza Deluxe roll.
Okay.
Yeah. And cucumber. A little bit avocados. And crab salad. Put the-
And so that is crab meat,
Yeah, crab salad.
crab salad.
Yeah,
Alrighty.
we just mixed with the crab meat with the mayos and
Okay.
tempuras. Yeah,
Lovely.
yeah.
Alrighty. And what's this going in there right now? That's
Tempura shrimp.
tempura shrimp.
Yeah,
Okay.
Most people like this tempura shrimp.
Yeah, nice crispy kind of
Right.
contrast. It's cold. It's hot. Yeah.
Right. Yeah.
Love it.
A little bit tempura inside because
So that was just tempura right there.
yeah, right.
Okay.
because people like the crispy, tasty.
The
Yeah,
crispy bits, right? Yeah. No, I would say like my favorite. I like spicy tuna.
Oh yeah.
Well, I like spicy anything, but
Oh.
you know that.
Yeah.
That's lovely.
Make the
Alrighty.
shape, and then put the cream cheese.
Okay,
On
so
top.
this is
Yeah.
one of the special parts of it.
Put
I
the
could-
salmons.
And is this one of the top sellers too? Then?
Yep.
Yeah.
Sure. It's the special. And make the shape again. And cut it gently.
And Jay, how long have you been doing this?
Oh, like 2.5 years.
Okay.
Yeah. So I think this is the best part for this roll. Put the spice mayos on
Ooh,
top.
sorry, what was that just went on there?
Spice mayo.
Spicy mayo,
Yeah.
okay.
And we torch it.
Alrighty, so just like a nice little sear on the outside.
Yeah, right.
Kind of cooks it just a little bit,
Yeah.
but not too much. So
Yeah, we should spend enough time for sharing, so it have a deeply taste.
yeah. And again, this would be one like if you're not fully like cooking the raw part of it
Yep.
makes you nervous or whatever. Like this is maybe halfway in between. It's
Yeah, right,
a
right.
little bit cooked, but
Yeah.
still sushi grade salmon
Yes.
and a little sizzle on top there. Some more sauce at the
Yeah,
end.
more
and
sauce.
not only does the food smell good, it looks good as well.
Yeah. And this is crispy onion, so same onion again.
Okay.
Yeah. There you go.
Awesome. So again, the Plaza Sushi roll available only in St. Thomas.
That's right. Yeah.
Danny, thanks so much for welcoming us back here today.
Thank you for having me.
I think our next
Yeah.
step is we're going to try some of this, aren't we?
Okay. Yeah, sure.
Awesome.